Kwahu se ene ohwe nia ekoso ya ene da edikan se omo ebetimi ahwe ama paragliding no etimi ahase ene ni da paragliding no ehase na ohwe ni gugu from he ya eye beka se elupin kitwa bonframa ya omanfo ebetimi asane akodu eye nkoko sports stadium samira mniko say dey kase Kwahu ko bibia are ready say ebetimi abaso na ene da edikan ene yawo ene da edikan na ye ka se ene edikan na ene nso ene da omutimi ehwe ama parachute no etimi akoso ewo Odweanoma nti samira bebia mi gina yi eye Odweanoma bia ya omo betimi afly edi akwakodu eye nkoko asiho isa say ye ka Kwahu a anase Easter na untimi enyi paragliding entimi enfree mektimi akase no ene ma no eye soronko ewo eye afahye aya abribia afibia omo etimi edinum nti wo hwe ha ene eye Odweanoma bia ya omo betimi elupre ketu abonframan edibe sane edi ase onene ni da edikan omo edi ebetu omo betu no ina aye ready
asante achimi me pa meti Switzerland paragliding embrani draw abia me pa hanu mo ebetu bi me ni Ghana doctors mi nu a yetuba Jonathan the first one and we move to tandem the basis pilot so tandem.
So experience need to say
need a hand to was here can say so a training they be anytime be to a different coach have a different overlanding so different the more we to know the more na we see afa home and it depends whether because from anywhere in na first with it nti ebetu ade be no na first with.
So far this year, we said the weather each year. Now 2 years, you need Kwahu started now. Really, sena excitement next year.
Weather next year, meet Mark say just that the woman from ano a bad thing. The woman nature and be a very difficult to create a chassis a be tour. But you need to near and be moody problem be anyone mobile. From any to meet now and I say bad thing didn't pass up a paper. No need to know Bema I easy my since as son 10.
Thank you very much.
Eni binu makasa nti ye kasa Kwahu dia na preview GH obi anhwe enim ne beto fom bia no ye ma atiefo asonse nti twa parachute no na omo sane no parachute no ani gugu fom ha no mo bibire a omanfo no etimi omunyina omo be fly ni nyina etimi abedu ohwe obroni ba akuya ono enso edibi ebe fly nti samre ohwe ma yiye ne normal ebeka se odi ebesane nti ene ide bibia ye krado nti utifie na se wo ma ya yebeka se ye kwaja ne ya bebo wa mane nti obibi
of what we have internally. It is obvious that President Akufo-Addo wants to push domestic tourism, and that is why he's moved the Independence Day celebration across the country. Respectively, he did Northern Region, Ashanti Region, and then recently Central Region. In December, last December, we launched December in GH, and then a few days ago, we launched Nation Ghana. It seeks to welcome the rest of the world to visit Ghana. The Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture has a target of 2.3 billion USD for 2022. Activities like this will play a major role in achieving this target. And here, today, I will urge you all to support tourism, because tourism is only a marketing product, but the beneficiaries are all of us. And so, if you have an interest, whether you work at the hotel, a taxi driver, you cook, everything, because when the tourist comes in, everybody has a chance of benefiting. And that is how we are pushing to make tourism the #1 contributor to the GDP of Ghana. Speech, a number of activities are lined up for this weekend. Please let's participate, socialize, fraternize, give if possible because it is Easter. Party hard, network. Did you hear that?
Yes.
And our young people here.
Bob.
Party hard. Yes. Network for future benefits. Because I personally believe that your network is your net worth. For this festival is actually to bring the people of Kwahu back home to reunite as family. Take advantage and then ease your stress. Lastly, treat people like you want to be treated. That is the bottom line for customer service. So people who purchase today can come back and purchase the next time. Thank you very much for having your attention. Honorable Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture, I gladly join hands with the MC Kwahu West and Kwahu South, board members, pilots, members of GTA to officially declare the 2022 Kwahu Easter Paragliding open. Long live Kwahu Easter festivities. Long live Ghana.